Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Exciting day today. I went to Aldi's, got a planner box, and I'm going to put it together. So let's get started. Okay guys, I got this planner box that everybody's been talking about on YouTube at Aldi's. $39.99. Started picture here. And someone had mentioned it on YouTube and I saw it, and I thought that by now they probably would have been gone because the video that I saw was back in March sometime. So went to an Aldi's. There's one not far from my house, and I'd never been there before, but I just took a chance. I said, let me just go in and see if there's any left. And there are 3 left, but I only got 1 because I didn't even take a cart. I didn't even take a shopping cart in with me. So I'm at Aldi's, and so I got the planter. So I went to Aldi's, got the planter, and now I'm headed back home. It was like a right in and right out. They have 2 more left. I didn't take a cart in with me. I was so sure they weren't going to have them, so I didn't even take a cart in with me. And it was $39.99. I got 1. Hold on. Whew. So I got 1 planter from Aldi's. That's my first time ever going in there. I think, I don't know how new this place is. I went in one in New Jersey that they have. Oh boy. I'm gonna carry that out without a cart. Anyway, I'm trying to convince hubby to use these. Even if he, I mean, he could make, he's very handy. He could easily make one. He could easily make a planter. We have some planters that he made with some leftover decking material. And I think I got like five of those planters, but they're just like regular, like deck planters. They don't have legs or anything on them. But he could easily make a standing wooden planter. Easily. He's very good at that kind of stuff. But, you know, he'd rather suffer through with that garden. But hey, to each his own, right? To each his own. So I got my planter, at least one of them. Let's see how easy it is to put together. Whew. And then, where am I going to place it? That's the next question. Anyway, I got it. All right, guys. Well, thank you for stopping at, can't even remember the name of the channel. Thank you for stopping at Life on Greenwood.
So the planter took about 20 minutes to put together. Hubby helped out. Thanks so much. And I haven't decided where to put it yet, but I think it's well constructed. I definitely would recommend it. Haven't figured out where I'm going to put it yet in the yard, but it's definitely worth the purchase, and I think I'll get another one. Thanks so much, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Go down to Aldi's and see if you can get one of these planters, $39.99.